Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings, Victory with Ash community. In this video, we address a very important topic: what you plant today, you harvest tomorrow. What does this phrase mean, and why is it so beneficial for all of us? As we know, our platform, Victory with Ash, has not officially launched yet. Despite this, every day, hour, and moment, we witness an inspiring amount of giving, hard work, and dedication from every single member of our community. Whether it is sharing valuable information, producing AI-generated videos, creating talking head recordings, or giving advice in groups through voice notes, text, or personal experience, the effort is constant. This is why today's title is so vital: what you plant today, you harvest tomorrow. The preparation behind success. Consider YouTube programs like Arab creators. You see well-known figures as well as new speakers appearing on camera, sometimes for the very first time. Before going live or hosting these distinguished sessions, there is extensive preparation. Participants prepare themselves by writing speeches or outlining what they plan to say to ensure smooth delivery. While preparing may seem like a simple step, it ultimately leads to massive progress for anyone contributing to this community. Is this effort without value? At this stage, some might ask, why should I work hard, spend my time researching information, and share it in meetings, voice notes, or videos if there is no immediate personal or financial gain, no tangible return right now? This is a natural question to ask. My answer to everyone putting in the work and persevering is simple: what you are doing today is not useless. It is the smartest investment a person can make in themselves, beyond just contributing to the community. Building yourself and acquiring the hidden treasure. When members speak and present during our community meetings, they build themselves up and establish prominent personalities. Truthfully, we have all gone through this initial phase. Before I personally started delivering lectures, I used to rely heavily on a written script in front of my computer. I read word for word to prevent hesitation, stuttering, or awkward pauses, ensuring the presentation remained high quality. Over time, however, I realized that reading from a paper was not professional. I discarded the full script and moved to the next stage, writing down only bullet points to guide my talk. This process highlights a crucial concept: the hidden treasure, self-building and acquiring experience. Your real capital, experience. This preparatory phase we are all going through is a precious treasure. Every piece of content you create, every bit of information you research, and every piece of advice you share directly sharpens your skills and develops your capabilities step by step. You are not just working unpaid for the future, you are building your real capital today, experience. Never say, it is too late. Trial, error, and continuous improvement during this specific stage turn you into an expert before the real competition even begins. The big surprise at launch. The major transformation will happen the moment the Victory with Ash platform launches. When work begins, not everyone will start from the same line. Those with experience will start at point 10 or 20 rather than 0. Those who waited for the launch to start thinking and acting will find themselves at the very beginning of the path. Those of you who worked hard and built experience during this period of preparation will be fully ready to take the field and reap the rewards. The effort you invest now will immediately transform post-launch into golden opportunities, tangible success, and unmatched excellence because you enter the market with experience honed prior to launch. The domino effect. Start with small steps. Do not underestimate small steps, and do not compare yourself to others by thinking someone else is better or more experienced. Set comparisons aside and focus on simple steps, because small steps lead to grand results. Consider the domino effect. The first domino weighs only a few grams. The largest domino can weigh tons. You cannot knock down the massive block directly. It is impossible. However, pushing that tiny first domino triggers a chain reaction that gradually topples larger blocks until you reach the top. A message to everyone in the community. To those putting in the effort, God bless you. You are building yourself into a true leader, a future role model, and a strong fortress to face what lies ahead. This experience will be a golden opportunity post-launch. To those who haven't started yet, it is never too late. Once the platform launches, which is fundamentally an educational platform, you can start fresh. Focus your time entirely on learning. Start now with simple steps. Forget about who is an expert and who isn't. Just start creating today. Share advice and contribute content. Through daily perseverance, you will naturally evolve from a beginner into a professional. Closing remarks. Keep giving, exerting effort, and persevering. Never belittle any step, video, or piece of information you share today. You are the solid core of the Victory with Ash community. What you toil over in secret today, you will harvest as resounding success and recognition in public soon, God willing. Trust this journey, keep developing yourselves, and prepare for the summit. Stay exceptional, Victory with Ash community. God bless you all. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.